Hello, my name is Max. And I think math is pretty cool. I think it's a really fun subject. And I've learned a lot of math over my lot of years of school. And I was thinking, what what have I missed? What insights could I gain from looking back at the stuff I learned in like kindergarten, first grade, that kind of stuff, and just go up? And I want to go on a journey of sorts of learning math from the start. And I think a good place to start is the most basic, the root of math, counting. It's just kind of a thing that comes naturally. It's just a natural thing that humans can do. So it's a lovely place to start math, I think. And this will be kind of our base concept. So I'm not going to teach you how to count. Okay, we start at 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on and so forth. You know how it goes. One important thing to think about here is that each number has only one distinct number that comes before and after it. Okay? That means that if you count up from, like, say 0, you're not going to go to 2 or 1. You can only go to 1. There's no other option. We will consider counting this direction, counting down, this direction, counting up. And this can go on forever. We could keep inventing new symbols, but we came up with a really nice way of thinking about it by adding this kind of base system where we add a number to the left once we reach 10. And the system that this is called is base 10. And base 10 is nice. It's a natural thing we came up as humans because we have 10 fingers, you know? It's pretty handy because you can count. You can explain to a 5-year-old how to count very easily. And this can go on forever, can add whatever kind of digit you want here. And a nice way to think about it is that we can find out what a specific place has as a value. What I mean by that is, let's assign a lot of arrows going on here. Let's erase some of these. Let's assign this place 1, 2, 3, and so on. We'll say that's n. You can find the value of each digit by this equation. 10 to the n minus 1. So let's try this. We know the third one will have a value of 100. So we take n minus 3, plug in 3 for n, I should say first. That goes to 2, and then 10 to the second, 100. Boom, we got our thing. And you could replace that 10 with any base you want. So a generalized version would be 10, or b to the n minus 1. And that's pretty much all there is for counting. It's a pretty simple thing. Yeah. Woo. Thanks for watching.